Asikubingelele sikwamukele kule channel sicela uqiniseke ucizeleke subscribe button ke ukuze uzothola zonke zishisa. Lamhlanje ke sizokwethulela udaba lapho ke khona sikhuluma khona ngendaba enkulu yokufunga amalungu ephalamende lesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal. Iphalamende lesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal liyaqhubeka futhi ke amalungu ephalamende wonke asefungile. Njengamanje kusibheka ekuthenini kuqokwe uspeaker walo ke iphalamende laKwaZulu Natal, kanti ke nominathiwe ukuthi ke bangenele ke ukuqokwa kwaSpeaker babili. Singathola laphana uNothemba Boys, siphinde ke sithole laphana ke uHerman Mary Alexander Drinks. Akazi noma ke igama libhele kahle but ngizowabhala la ngezansi amagama abo. Ke sekuvela ke nokuthi ke iqembu ke le-EFF alijabulile ngendlela ke uSpeaker ke weParliament la KwaZulu Natal angaqokwa ngayo, kumbe iprocess yokuqokwa kwaSpeaker waKwaZulu Natal lapho ikhala khona ukuthi ke ayijabulile ngokusetshenziswa kwama-ballot box akwa-IEC, futhi ke ayijabulile leli qembu ke ngokuthi ke ama-party agents awekho ukuyobhekelela ke ukuthi akurobheki, akekho umuntu orobhekayo. Akuzwe ukuthi ke lolu daba ligcine kufike kuphi ke ngalo.
Judge President of the province of KwaZulu Natal, we, Ndomuhle Kaula, the undersigned, member of the provincial legislature of KwaZulu Natal, hereby nominate the following person as a candidate for election as the Speaker of the provincial legislature of KwaZulu Natal, Honorable Nothemba Boys. Thank you.
We, Francois Rogers, the undersigned member of the provincial legislature of KwaZulu Natal, hereby second the following person, Nothemba Boys, as a candidate for election of Speaker of the provincial legislature.
Thank you. Igama lami nginguNothembeko Nothemba wakwaBoys. Ndiyakwamkela ukutyunjelwa ukuthi ngingene eqatha. Thank you.
We, Siphiwe Professor Given Mbatha, the undersigned member of the provincial legislature of KwaZulu Natal, hereby nominate Maverick Dix, Alexander Dix, as the Speaker of the House.
Thank you. Judge President, igama lami ngiwuhlobisile Ngwakadlamini, oyilunga lalendlu yowisomthetho. Ngiyalisekela igama likaMhlonishwa uMarvin Dix. Thank you. Is the nomination accepted? Just state your full name just for the record. Thank you.
That you take us through all those rules first before we proceed, but it's fine. Some of us were free to get those rules which were sent to all the party leaders, which I think my party, MK, 25 of such an opportunity.
Yes.
During the induction yesterday.
Just please.
During the induction yesterday, I don't want to sound like I'm questioning the rules of Chief Justice, but the process sounds dubious. How can we preside over any form of elections without having us as stakeholders, having party agents to oversee if the process is fair? Also, you said yesterday through the secretary that we are not going to be having IEC today. But I see we're using IEC material here in this house. Whereas even these ballot boxes are sealed. I think it's a norm. We can't be having ballot boxes. This ballot box was supposed to be assembled in front of every member here, so that we don't get to question the process itself. And whereas we're only told that we're going to be able to challenge this after a year, because the results are going to be sealed. It's only the Judge President who's going to announce the results. Now we need to be taken into confidence that this process is fair and free for everyone to participate in a transparent process. I'm sorry to really waste time, but in the interest of everyone who's a participant in this nomination or voting process, we just want you to take us into confidence. I see now your what officer has just brought this box, just because I've asked if these boxes are sealed or not. But we're only about to start voting. And we know that before you start to vote, we must have these boxes assembled in front of them. Thank you.
Thank you for bringing that to my attention, Mr. Twala. The rules were gazetted by the Chief Justice on 30th May 2024, and the Secretary of the Legislature ensured me that all the political parties have received them. When I started these proceedings, I did indicate that I'm proceeding in terms of these rules that have been issued by the Chief Justice. I am the only person and the returning officers that will be present when the voting counts. You just have to trust me and that process, because it is not allowed for in any other legislation that there be other people. For the purposes of transparency and fairness, returning officers, will you ensure that you take that box and you show it around the house so that we can ensure that it is empty